Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the key features of the Realme NARZO 20 Pro. The Realme NARZO 20 Pro runs on the Android 10 OS along with Realme's proprietary UI. The smartphone is available in two colors. The current variant is called Black Ninja, while the second color variant is white in color is called White Knight. The Realme NARZO 20 Pro comes with a quad camera setup at the back. This includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle sensor with an FOV of 119 degrees. This will allow the user to capture landscapes with ease. There are also two 2 megapixel sensors, the macro and the depth sensor respectively. There is also a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. The cameras on the Realme NARZO 20 Pro also support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and 1080p video recording at 30 and 60 frames per second as well. The front-facing camera can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second as well as 120 frames per second. Additionally, the cameras also support HDR photography and panorama modes. The Realme NARZO 20 Pro is powered by the 12nm MediaTek Helio G95 chipset. The smartphone also comes with the Mali G76MC4 GPU, which powers all your gaming needs. There are two variants of the Realme NARZO 20 Pro. One comes with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage space, while the other comes with 8GB of RAM but has 128GB of storage space. The NARZO 20 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery that supports Super Dart fast charging. The phone features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 90Hz. It also supports a resolution of 1080p into 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The phone also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Additionally, there's also an ambient light sensor, a gyroscope and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Those were some of the key features of the Realme NARZO 20 Pro. Thanks so much for watching.